Alright. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to take a look at the beautiful, lovely FCC number game that was developed and totally not amplified for your enjoyment. So here we go. What are we looking at? So we have the start of it. Then it's asking for the intensity, the minimum, the maximum. It's calculating, spreading, shredding, and not giving us a bunch of shit. What is this? Well, I'll tell you what this is. This is a number game. So 68 is the result of x plus 2 times x minus 2, the absolute value of x minus 2. And then we add that to x, so 68. So what is that? Let's do 8 plus 2, that's 10, times 8 minus 2, that's 6. So it's 60 plus 8, so it's 8. Correct. Awesome. 5 is the result of x equals, and it's the same thing. Well, not the same thing. Instead, it equals that. So let's look here. Let's try 2. No. 2's not good enough. 2's not nearly good enough, is it? How do you get 5 from that? Is it 2? So 2 plus 2 is 4 times 0. No, it's 3. 3 plus 2 is 5 times 1. Okay, it's 3. Oh my god, look at that. We're taking forever. Okay, minus 30 is the result of x minus x plus 6 times x. So we do 6 times x. So in this case, it looks to be possibly 5. No. Yeah, it's 5. I think. Yeah, it's 5. Holy shit. Minus 18 is the result of... Okay, so in this one, it's very particular. It's asking you about 1, 2, or 3, so you get to guess. Minus 18, that sounds like... Well, considering it's so far deep, I think it's minus the 21. So it's minus 21, so it must be 3, right? Correct. Okay, number 5. Minus 20 is the result of that. So that one looks to be 1. Correct. Guess what number x in hint 6 is? Minus 38 is the result of that. Is that 6? That's 4, 8. 8 times 4 is 24. No. It's got to be something bigger. Because this is x equals x plus. This is x minus. This is the last one of those 3. We got a rough variation here to start with, I think. I don't know. Let's do some guessing. 5. Incorrect. Ah, sucks. That really sucks. Okay, let's do 9. I think 9 is it. So 7, 11, 77. No, it's definitely not 9. It's a lot lower. It's probably 7. Correct. Congratulations, you won with an 85.71 accuracy. Look at us. Look at us doing fucking things on this fucking planet. Look at us. Oh my god. Okay. Let me switch the window over to show you this. This is what you just played. Right here. So there's a few compressions that can be made here, obviously. And if you want the code, I might put it on a Discord or something. I don't know. If someone's looking for it, I'm sure they can find it. You know what I mean? So, yeah, that's what's up. Thank you all for watching. This has been a Python update showing my little game that I made, and let's hope for a brighter future.